In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your gender settings or preferences on your AOL account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your AOL account or sign into your email, and then select your user account icon near the top and select where it says account info. And now that we are on here, you want to go where it says update personal details, and you want to select where it says under gender, select your gender, and then select save updates, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.